Hey, what's up? It's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about one of the most popular styles of homes in Massachusetts, the Cape Cod homes. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. R-E-A-L. Real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about Cape Cod homes. Now, is it named after the place in Massachusetts called Cape Cod? Absolutely. All right. So obviously they're popular here in Massachusetts. Now, what distinguishes Cape Cod homes from other types of homes? They're symmetrical, kind of like colonials. Check that video out on colonials if you haven't. So Cape Cod homes are symmetrical. They were built in the late 17th century. So they have these steep roofs, right, with side eaves, and the chimneys typically on the side of the gable or in the center of the house. Now, Royal Barry Wills, right, is one of the most popular Cape Cod architects. He was a master of the style. He's an author. You can check out his books, right? He passed away, I believe, in the 60s, but he mastered that style. We actually sold one of his houses that he designed in Salem, Massachusetts. It was super awesome, right? Loved a lot of wood paneling. That house actually had like a hidden room. Actually, we should put a link to that video here too. Check it out. It's pretty cool. So the Cape Cods, like I said, symmetrical, chimney placement, blah, 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 blah. My prediction for Cape Cods is what I'm really interested in saying. I truly believe Cape Cods will be one of the most popular homes for millennials in the coming years. I believe millennials are going to, in droves, look at Cape Cods because they're great starter homes, right? Not too big. They have enough separation upstairs, downstairs for privacy, and they're not going to be in high demand by the second largest generation, which is the baby boomers, who are looking to avoid some stairs in some situations. So I believe Cape Cods will be a go-to home of choice for millennials. That's my prediction. It's 2019. Let's check in 2022 if I'm right. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.